Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to your English class. Yesterday we learned how George learned about the birth of the stars from Cosmos and Eric. And today we are going to learn a new poem, a poem written by Walt Whitman. And the name of the poem is When I Heard the Learned Astronomer. And in this slide you could see the picture of Walt Whitman. Speaking more about Walt Whitman. Walt Whitman is a famous poet, essayist as well as a journalist, and he is known as the father of free verse. And in this poem which we are going to learn today, he uses the example of an astronomer to explain or to show you the difference between academic learning and experimental learning. Let's see how he explains. Now our speaker of the poem is now listening to a lecture given by an astronomer about astronomy. He is sitting along with his friends to listen to the words of the astronomer. But he is dissatisfied. Our speaker is completely dissatisfied and he is getting bored with the way the astronomer is explaining the things. But why is he getting bored? What was the matter? How was the lecture? How was the astronomer explaining? Let us see. This is how he explains the matter. He is explaining the matters about astronomy with the help of diagrams, mathematical theories, with the help of different figures, with different calculations, all sorts of things. But he is understanding a bit, our speaker is understanding a little bit, but not everything. He is telling about stars, but with the help of a diagram or with the help of a chart, but he is not showing the real one. He don't want to. He is not experiencing a real thing. So, in the first stanza of your poem, the poet or the speaker is trying to explain the difficulties he was facing while he was experiencing an academic way of learning other than a experimental learning. In the first stanza goes like this. When I heard the learned astronomer, when the proofs, the figures were arranged in columns before me, when I was shown the charts and diagrams to add, divide and measure them, when I sitting heard the astronomer, where he heard lectured with much applause in the lecture room. And it is told that all the other students applauded after the lecture. Whether they understood or not, it's not a matter. When a teacher says something, they applaud. But our speaker is not at all satisfied. Now, after the lecture, what happens? We'll see. After the lecture, he got very much tired and sick. He's feeling tired and sick after the lecture, and he moves out to the open in order to experience the real beauty of nature. So he sat under a tree, looking up the sky, looking up the vast sky, peppered with stars. Then he realized that this is the real beauty of nature. So in the second stanza, our speaker is trying to explain to us the difference, the real difference between lectured classes and the experimental classes. And the second stanza goes like this. How soon, unaccountable, I became tired and sick, till rising and gliding out, I wandered off by myself in the mystical moist night air, and from time to time looked up in perfect silence at the stars. He's telling how fastly he got bored while he was listening to the lectures of the astronomer. But while he was watching the night sky in a very silent manner, he did not get bored. He did not feel dissatisfied. He stared at the sky for a long time. So this is the poem all about. I hope you all have understood. Thank you. Have a great day. Be safe. Be at home.